Welcome to our English listening channel. Hello everyone. Today you will follow a simple conversation between two adults who go hiking in the mountains and lose their way. What would you do if you got lost on a mountain trail? Do not worry. The characters will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
Look at this trail on the map. It goes to the top of the mountain.
How long is the trail?
The map says it is about 5 kilometers. It should take us 3 hours.
That sounds good. Is the trail difficult?
No, it says the trail is easy. It is good for beginners.
Perfect. Did you pack water and snacks?
Yes, I packed everything. I also have the map and a compass.
Great. Let me check the weather on my phone.
What does it say?
It says sunny and warm. Perfect weather for hiking. We should leave now. The mountains look beautiful today.
Yes, I can see them from here. The sky is so clear.
How far is the parking area?
The map says it is 20 minutes from here.
Good. Are you excited about the hike?
Yes, very excited. I love hiking in nature.
Me too. The fresh air is always nice.
I hope we see some nice views from the top.
I am sure we will. Look, I can see the sign for the trail.
This is the start of the trail. It looks very nice.
Yes, the path is clear. There are signs everywhere.
That is good. I can hear birds singing.
The forest is so quiet and peaceful.
How do you feel? Are you tired?
No, I feel great. The weather is perfect.
Let me take a photo of the trees here.
Good idea. This place is beautiful. Should we keep walking?
Yes, let us go. I want to reach the top before lunch.
Wow, look at this view. It is amazing.
I can see the whole valley from here. Look at the river down there.
It is so small from here. Everything looks beautiful.
Let us take a short break. I want to drink some water.
Good idea. I am a little thirsty too.
How much further do we need to walk?
I think we are halfway to the top. Maybe 1 more hour.
That is not too far. Are you ready to continue?
Yes, let us keep going. The view from the top will be even better.
Wait, which way should we go?
I'm not sure. The trail splits here into 2 paths.
Do you see any signs?
No, I do not see any signs. This is strange.
Let me check the map. Maybe it shows which path is correct.
Yes, good idea. I think we should go left.
Are you sure? The right path looks wider.
You are right. Maybe we should take the right path.
Okay, let us try the right path and see where it goes.
I do not recognize this place. Have you been here before?
No, I have not. I think we are lost.
Really? But we followed the path.
I know, but the map does not show this area.
Do not worry. We can find our way back.
You are right. Let us stay calm. Do you remember which direction we came from?
I think we came from that direction, near those big trees.
Okay, let me look at the compass. Maybe it can help us.
Good. We should not walk too far from here.
Let us sit down and look at the map carefully.
Okay, show me where we started.
We started here at the parking area, then we walked north.
Yes, and we stopped at that viewpoint about 1 hour ago.
Right. After that, the trail divided into 2 paths.
And we chose the right path. Maybe that was wrong.
It is okay. We just need to go back to that place.
How long will it take to go back?
I think about 30 minutes. We have enough time.
Good. Let us rest for 5 minutes and then start walking back. What does the compass say?
It says we are facing north. We need to go south.
Okay. If we go south, we will find the main trail again.
Yes, we should walk slowly and stay together.
Do you have enough water?
Yes, I still have water. What about you?
I have water too. Let us drink a little before we start.
Good idea. Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I feel fine. Do not worry. We will find the trail soon.
I know. Let us start walking now. Look over there! I can see something.
What is it?
I think it is a trail marker. Yes, it is a wooden sign.
Really? That is great. Let us go closer and check.
I can see the path now. It is right there.
You are right. This is the main trail.
I am so happy. I knew we would find it.
Me too. You did a great job with the compass.
Thank you. Now we just need to follow this path back.
This path is much better. I can see the markers clearly.
Yes, this is definitely the right way. I recognize this place now.
How much further to the parking area?
I think it is about 40 minutes from here.
That is not too far. The sun is still high in the sky.
Yes, we have plenty of time. Are you tired?
A little, but I feel much better now that we found the trail.
Me too. This was an interesting experience.
Yes. Next time, we will be more careful at the trail splits.
Look, there's the information board. We saw it when we started.
Yes, I remember it. We are almost back.
The parking area is just 10 minutes from here.
That is wonderful. I cannot wait to sit down in the car.
Me too. I am a little tired now.
You did a really good job today. You stayed calm and found the way.
Thank you. You helped a lot too. We worked together well.
Yes, this will be a good story to tell our friends.
Definitely. Let us finish the last part of the trail.
We made it. Here is our car.
Yes, finally. I am so happy to be back.
Me too. Let me put the backpacks in the car.
Thank you. My shoulders are tired from carrying everything.
Mine too. Should we go home now?
Yes, let us go. I want to rest and have dinner.
Good idea. What do you want to eat?
Maybe pizza. I am very hungry after all that walking.
Pizza sounds perfect. Today was a long day, but we learned something important.
Yes, always check the map carefully and stay calm if you get lost.
I hope this video helped you improve your English. What would you do if you got lost on a mountain trail? Please share your answer in the comments. Practicing simple conversations like this can help you speak with more confidence. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time. Bye.